Today we're going to learn about bird watching. I want to tell you a few things you should know before we go. First, camo outfit. Make the birds feel at home with you. Got my zebra hat and I got my leopard print dress. And second thing that you should know when going bird watching, birds only come out if you eat fruit. So, I will eat a banana. Just eat it at a slow pace. That's good. Don't choke. It's not good to choke. Third, go to a location where there are lots of trees and foliage. Foliage means trees. Okay, are you ready to go? Woo! Let's go! Woo! What's that I hear? A bird? Where? It's over there. Come on. Where is it? There, a bird. Oh. That's not a bird. Let's keep looking. If you're having trouble finding birds, there's one thing you can always do. Gets them every time. You ready? It's my special bird call. Learned this from my grandpa. True story. Here we go. Here, birdie, birdie, birdie! Here, birdie, birdie, birdie! No birds. Since we couldn't find any birds in my backyard, let's look somewhere where birds are meant to be found. Sometimes birds like to hang out on the ground, in the grass. Do you see any birds here? Let's keep looking. Birds love to perch in trees. Where are all the birds at? I don't see them anywhere. Maybe we should try something else. A friend of mine told me that you can go online to watch birds. You can learn information, facts, and even watch live videos of birds. Let's try it. Okay, here we go. Let's get started with online bird watching. First, open up your internet browser. I'm using Safari, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google. So type Google up here, google.com. Now, we're going to search for National Geographic birds. National Geographic birds. Alright, there it is. Let's click on this one. Oh, it looks cool. So, without even having to go outside, we can just find all this information about birds right at our own computers. Go back to Google and type hummingbird cam. There it is for me. Alright, and click on the first one. It's ustream.tv. And this is online bird watching. And this is a live stream of some hummingbirds in another state. There it is. That's your online bird watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy bird watching online. Have fun! That was a big bite. Don't do that when you're on a school excursion. Jess, are you holding the camera steady? Get your clothes ready. Edit that part out.